A lot of, personal coaches and business coaches, Tony Robbins uses the peak state.
Yes.
So what that means is just getting your body and mind into a position where you're thinking clearly and you're thinking from your heart, not your head. So thinking from what really motivates you, what really you're passionate about, and not just because everyone in their head's like, oh, I got to go to the gym this year, right?
Right.
And lose weight so I can look sexy in the summer.
Right.
And that's just, and nobody makes those goals. They just don't fulfill them because it's what everybody does. It's just something off the top of your head. It's very flippant.
Yeah.
And you've got to dig deeper to decide, because if that's not truly your what you want to achieve, of course you're not going to get it.
Right, exactly.
But if you can find what you really want to achieve, what your heart really desires,
sure,
then there's going to be that motivation, that why, that's going to keep you going after you've set the goal.
Yeah.
So you've got to get yourself into a position, whatever that means for you. And there's a lot of ways to get to that mental, physical point.
Yeah.
Some people will meditate.
Yeah.
I used to do it on my runs. It's one of the reasons I ran.
Really?
Oh yes, running is an amazing time to think.
Huh?
Because I really never run with headphones or an iPod or music. Yeah, it's weird. I ran at the height. I would run about 32 miles.
Oh my gosh!
I know. I did that about 3 times a year as my sort of one big push.
Holy cow!
Kind of in preparation for different races.
Yeah.
And that's about a 4-hour run.
For you?
For me, yeah.
For me, it's a 4-day run.
And these days, for me, it'd be a 4-day run now. I have different goals now.
Right.
15 years ago, that was about a 4-hour. And I did it by myself because no one else wants to run.
Of course.
Who am I going to get to join me in a 32-mile run?
Yeah,
Not a lot of people.
Exactly.
And this was, again, iPods were out, so you could have run with it, but I didn't.
Yeah.
I like that time to be alone.
Yeah.
There's no phone.
Right.
No email, no computer.
Yeah.
No distraction.
Right.
You're completely by yourself and alone with your thoughts. And and the physical exhaustion pulls you kind of out of your head. Have you ever noticed, they always say you should never make decisions when you're overly tired?
Yeah.
It's kind of the opposite of that.
Got it.
When you're overly tired, your brain's shutting down and your cognitive functions aren't working.
Yeah.
When you're on a run or you're physically tired from an exercise or something like that,
Right.
then your brain is sort of really on top of things. You might feel tired physically.
Physically, but not mentally.
But not mentally.
Yeah.
You're all of a sudden you're very clear-headed.
That makes sense.
It could be the
Your endorphins are
oxygen, the
kicking.
endorphins, the blood flow.
Yep. Peak state almost.
Yeah, it's peak state. And Tony Robbins, and many coaches start there. They start with your physical body, putting your physical body into a state of conditioning.
Yeah.
And then you turn your brain on and start doing things and making decisions.
Got it.
And running used to do that for me.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Some people do, like I said, meditation, a walk in the park.
Yep.
Listening to music, on their iPads if that helps.
Right.
Whatever it is to get you out of what your normal thought patterns into a place where you can actually truly think about what you want to do.
Russell Brunson. Is that
Branson?
No. What's the guy that owns Virgin? Branson.
Yeah.
Branson. Yes. What's his first name? Is it Russell?
No.
Richard Branson.
Yes. Richard
I don't
Branson.
know where Russell Brunson came from.
I know. And I got Elon Musk in my head.
Okay. Yeah. Richard.
Yeah, they're the same.
Yes. He says that he was interviewed and they said, "What's the one secret you could give to anybody who's out there trying to become successful?" Now, he's a billionaire. He owns Virgin Atlantic, Virgin Records. And he says, start every morning with a workout. And
absolutely.
Get your body into peak state, get your mind refreshed, and of course you just woke up, so you're probably mentally rested now versus mentally tired at the end of the day. So it makes total sense. You're just now taking your body, waking it up, putting it into peak state.
For the rest of the day. Yeah. Swimming. I found that swimming, and interestingly, Tony Robbins does an ice bath in the morning. He jumps into an ice pool to wake him up.
Got it.
And I can vouch that when I get up and swim in the morning, as opposed to other workouts, any kind of workout I think is great in the morning.
Yeah.
But there's something about swimming in being in that cold water that really stimulates other parts of your brain or physicality. And you get out of that pool in the water and then you shower and it's like you're just ready to go for the day.
You're wide awake.
Yeah, you're wide awake.
Yeah,
Even in the dead of winter, it's like I have the whole day to do anything I want. And you're just so excited. Jump in a cold pool, jump in a cold bath, go work out, It's something to jar your body and get it into a state where it's ready to actually start thinking and working.
Beautiful, beautiful. It reminds me